3, 2, 1.
Which tool is used for carving wood? The answer is A. Chisel. What is the smallest violin family member? The answer is C. Violetta. What does PM stand for afternoon? The answer is A. Morning. What continent does the Amazon rainforest belong to? The answer is C. South America. What human action helps maintain a renewable resource? The answer is D. Replanting trees in deforested areas. Of the four nucleotides that make up deoxyribonucleic acid DNA, which of the following is a purine? The answer is C. Adenine. Which information does a student need to differentiate between the speed and the velocity of a vehicle in motion? The answer is B. The direction of the motion. What are the three common states of matter? The answer is C. Solid, gas, liquid. Carbonic anhydrase plays what role to achieve a variety of results involving different organs? The answer is B. Enzyme. If an animal is trained to do something, that is a learned what? The answer is A. Mode of conduct. What season is the Northern Hemisphere experiencing when it is tilted directly toward the sun? The answer is D. Summer. What is the capital city of Belgium? The answer is A. Brussels. The Amazon River empties into which ocean? The answer is A. Atlantic. What is the name of the river that runs through Nancy Drew's fictional hometown? The answer is C. Muskoka River. Which element has the symbol Hg? The answer is C. Mercury. A low level of radiation occurs naturally in the environment and is called what? The answer is C. Background radiation. What utensil is used to peel fruits and vegetables? The answer is D. Potato peeler. What is the name of Link's horse in Zelda games? The answer is C. Epona. Which book is known as the Odyssey? The answer is A. Homer. Who designed the uniforms for the Beatles' first film, A Hard Day's Night? The answer is A. Mary Quant. Which planet has a magnetic field like Earth's? The answer is D. Mars. Which mathematical term is used to describe a figure with equal sides and angles? The answer is C. Square. In which phase do the sister chromatids separate? The answer is D. Anaphase. How much time does the moon take to complete one revolution around the Earth? The answer is A. 1 month. What is it that gets more valuable every time someone tries to sell it? The answer is A. Hope. What is the main ingredient in French onion soup? The answer is D. Onions. What do you call a small whole number placed in front of a formula in an equation in order to balance it? The answer is B. Coefficient. What does the Czech phrase dobrý den mean in English? The answer is A. Good day/hello. Do tropical regions have very high or very low rates of immigration? The answer is D. Very high. Who played Grace Adler's mother in the Will and Grace TV series? The answer is B. Debbie Reynolds. What is loud, yellow, and travels the highway? The answer is A. School bus. The national language of Japan is? The answer is C. Japanese. What directive ordered the clone troopers to destroy all of the Jedi in Star Wars? The answer is B. Order 66. In what country did the recipe for the tiramisu cake originate? The answer is D. Italy. On the sitcom Taxi, cab driver Tony Bana had what other job? The answer is C. Boxer. Which molecule carries genetic information? The answer is C. DNA. Which company developed the first home computer, Altair 8800? The answer is A. Apple Inc. What is the study of emotion called? The answer is D. Emotion science. What is a group of giraffes called? The answer is C. Herd. What do you call the zone in a body of water where there is too little sunlight for photosynthesis? The answer is D. Aphotic zone. The four stages of the water cycle are evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. What happens after the last step of this cycle, and all cycles? The answer is C. It repeats. What is the name of the character portrayed by actor John Cusack in the hilarious movie 16 Candles? The answer is A. Bryce. Which process converts organic nitrogen into an inorganic form that can be used by plants? The answer is A. Decomposition. Which mountain is known as the roof of the world? The answer is A. Mount Everest. Who wrote the book on which the 2008 Western Appaloosa is based? The answer is C. Robert B. Hooker. Which tech giant started Project Loon to provide internet access using balloons in the stratosphere? The answer is B. Google. What can never be seen or touched but can be felt? The answer is D. Sound wave. Which of the following is a characteristic of elements? The answer is D. They cannot be divided into smaller substances. What keeps glaciers from forming in water? The answer is A. Warmth. Which word refers to the ecstatic female worshippers of god Dionysus?